Today we're gonna play a little game called Guess What Makes the Sound Effect. Okay, let's start easy. What do you think is the following sound? That's right, it's Yeti Ibiza 2007 turbocharged 1.4 liters 51 kilowatt diesel front-wheel drive engine ignition and running sound. Okay, that one was pretty easy. Let's move on to something more challenging. If you're said to yourself, haha, I get this one, it's supposed to be the sound the fox makes.
You're wrong.
The correct answer is a popular song. Okay, here's another one.
Another attempt to make something meaningful.
That's right, it's a pathetic and miserable excuse video uploaded to YouTube. Okay, for the final one, I'm gonna make it a little bit easier.
Shut the fuck up.
That's right, it's the sound of opening and closing a door. So the game is over, let's count the points. If you got 4 points, I'm afraid you're retarded. If you got 3, 2 or 1 point, congratulations, your brain damage is still limited and can be reversed through professional help. If you got 0 points, you're a normal human being. Thanks for